The first thing that you have to do when you're injured by a New York City bus or any municipal bus is contact an attorney early on. There are two different categories that you're going to have to be concerned with. One is making sure your medical bills and any wage loss gets paid. Now, in New York, if you own your own car, even though it's not involved in the accident, you will have to file for your medical benefits or your no-fault medical benefits through your own car. If you don't own a car, that claim for your medical benefits will be filed through the New York City Transit Authority or whoever the bus agency is. The second aspect is developing your claim for bodily injury or pain and suffering. When you're dealing with the New York City Transit Authority, there are certain procedural requirements that your attorney must focus on early on. The first is filing a notice of claim. That's putting the Transit Authority on notice that you have a potential claim, and that starts the ball rolling to allow the Transit Authority to conduct its investigation. Once that initial investigation is complete, then you can actually file the lawsuit for your injuries against the MTA or the New York City Transit Authority. The key with Transit Authority accidents is that at the time of the accident, make sure it's documented that you were a passenger on the bus or that you were a passenger in a car involved in the accident with the bus, or if you're a pedestrian. One of the greatest defenses that I see time and time again from the Transit Authority or any of the bus agencies is that it was an unreported accident. The bus stopped violently, you were thrown from your seat, you crashed into another passenger, and you were injured, but you hobbled off the bus without telling anybody or having it noted. The fact that you tell the bus driver alone without making sure that he or she writes it down could be the potential death knell for your case. So try to keep your wits about you, get it documented at the scene, and then contact an attorney immediately so that we can file the proper notice of claims against the Transit Authority.